Come on, shoot, go! Oops, it's time to get you fixed. We have just what you need. Cut the shape of the entire button out of foam rubber. Make 2 pieces. Wrap the foam rubber in soft fabric. Make a pocket between the foam rubber layers. Hot glue a zipper into it. Label the button. Take the rubber membrane out of an old keyboard. Cut out a piece. Put a piece of paper between the layers. Fasten it with tape and put it into the rubber pocket. These keys are so soft, you can't break them even when you're angry. Please, come again to the Overwatch store. I won't get any bruises from plastic keys. You think your store is cooler than Fortnite? Then I challenge you to a battle. May the best man win. I want the cutest Overwatch stress reliever. Snowball the mini robot is at your disposal. Trace a circle on a piece of memory foam. Cut out a semi-sphere. Coat the top part with blue rubber paint. Color the bottom black. Divide pipe insulation into 3 pieces. Make cuts in each piece and hot glue the top part. Make it narrower. Cover the bottom of each piece with a strip of masking tape. Coat the legs with black rubber paint and take the tape off. Cut 3 semi-spheres out of polystyrene to fit the legs. Paint them blue and put them in. Cut parts of Snowball's face out of colored foam paper. Add eyes with acrylic paint. Attach the pieces together. Draw a smaller circle on a white circle following the stencil and stick in the caps of silver thumbtacks. Attach all the pieces to the big semi-sphere using double-sided tape. Make a pyramid out of styrofoam triangles. Paint it black. Attach an old CD and a plastic bottle cap to a silicone suction cup. Fasten the pyramid on top. Attach the legs to it. Place Snowball's body onto the suction cup. Oh, this squishy robot is so cute! May will be so jealous! And I want a magical llama from Fortnite. This is more than just a llama, it's a stress reliever. Cut a llama out of foam rubber. Color it with rubber paint. Attach foam paper details. And colored eyes. Draw eyes with a marker and a nose. Hot glue pieces of colored Velcro to be fur. We already imagined this battle royale. This matrix and the characters. What a shootout! Too bad this stream ended way too soon. Overwatch is insanely popular. My bomb will take care of that. Cut a big hole in a jar lid. Cut a ring and an inside circle out of styrofoam to fit the lid. Put the ring onto the lid. Hot glue a spice jar cap on top. Cover the small holes with hot glue. Cut a piece off a cardboard tube and hot glue it on top of the cap. Cut a hole for a sprayer on Styrofoam. Stick the sprayer in and put it into the tube. Screw the piece onto the jar. Wrap a strip of cardboard in foil and attach it to the handle of the sprayer to make it longer. Coat the entire piece with silver acrylic paint. Also, paint the bottom of the jar. Pour in vinegar and add edible pearl dust. Put in baking soda through the hole in the lid. When you twist the lid, baking soda falls inside and causes a chemical reaction. Oh, this is a new weapon! I want it! Ew! That's disgusting! Take this away from my game! Where are Moira's biotic spheres? I need to be healed right now! Take 2 containers and pour 17 ounces of water into each. Add borax. Pour in the same amount of clear glue. Mix slimes. Add gold glitter and pearl dust to one slime. Add different kinds of purple glitter to the other slime. Put the slimes into plastic semi-spheres. Take the glowing part with batteries out of a broken toy and put it into the slimes. Phew! This sphere is so helpful and calming. You don't believe in Moira's power? Then catch her destructive sphere! Haha! Our powers are equal now! The Overwatch store is closed for inventory. 1 Sombra translocator. Wow, that looks interesting. Let's see. Cut triangular pieces out of foam board. Hot glue them to a spinner. Cut a hexagon with a hole in the center out of soft insulation foam. Attach it on top of the spinner. Turn over a small cap and hot glue it to the center. Attach a round flashlight to the cap. Decorate it with strips of foam paper and stones. Attach glittery foam paper decorations to the piece. Stick foam paper strips into insulation foam squares. Attach them to the piece. Add details using a black marker. So, how does it work? Oh, I see! It's missing something! Hey, you! Glowing monster! Put me back! Come on! Hands in the air! And don't touch my translocator ever again! Lunchtime! Great! I've been looking at this drop for so long. Cut thick cardboard into strips. Attach them to a plastic container to make a square box. Spray paint it blue. Make the surface look like wood using acrylic paint. Attach a label and cardboard bars. Add details. Put in Orbeez and cover it with colored cardboard to be a lid. Oh yeah? Orbeez, my precious! This drop is mine! Go back to your game! I'm losing the game, and I don't have any more lives. What should I do? We have the best anti-stress Fortnite kit. Paint an old lunchbox white. Attach a strip of red reverse sequin fabric. Use a stencil to paint a white cross in the center. Attach strips of foam paper to the sides. Put in different stress relievers. Oh, it's cute! There are so many relaxing things in here. This will be enough for 3 game sessions. Amazing! I'll take this. Aha! Fortnite is taking the lead. The competition on the market is intense. It's time for the final battle. Reinhardt steps in. Draw helmet parts on insulation foam and thin plastic. Cut them out. Join them with hot glue. Attach big plastic caps as ears. Attach sharpened pyramids made out of insulation foam to the top. Color the helmet with chrome spray paint. Fold thick yellow tulle in half. Use double-sided tape to attach it near the eyes. Cut a piece for the bottom of the helmet out of black foam paper. Cut a trapeze out of the insulation foam, color it, and attach it to the foam paper. Use double-sided tape to attach it to the helmet. And his rival, Marshmallow! Cut Marshmallow's face out of a strip of foam rubber using a stencil. Cover the eyes with black tulle and the mouth with black fabric. Add another foam rubber piece with a cutout face on top. Wrap the foam rubber into a cylinder to fit a head. Hot glue it. Cover the top with a foam rubber circle. Wrap the whole helmet in white foam paper. The fight was rough. No one wanted to give in. No more bonuses. But Marshmallow hits the final headshot. Fortnite wins! Did you like our stress relievers for gamers? Then let us know in the comments which relaxing toys you'd make, Fortnite or Overwatch. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new video game ideas on Troom Troom.